The Quran presents an error challenge to humans and jinn, requesting them to find an error or a mistake or a discrepancy or a distortion in the Quran. More than 1400 years have passed, and this challenge is yet to be broken. Quran 482. Did they not ponder the Quran? Had it been from any other than God, they would have found in it much discrepancy. Quran 18:1. Praise be to God, who revealed the book to his servant and allowed in it no distortion. Quran 17:88. Say, if mankind and jinn came together to produce the like of this Quran, they could never produce the like of it, even if they backed up one another. I have detail with proofs that Quranic challenge is. What fueled different fields of discipline, from science to engineering to astrology, numerology, palmistry, medicine, history, law, journalism, space exploration, etc. Click the link in my bio to get Unbroken Quran challenges on Amazon. In it, I collated scientific research and discoveries and matched them with Quranic references.